So we got a nice pike today and a nice trout. I'm gonna show you now the way how I make the pike fillets. The problem is about the epsilon bones, so that's why most people probably don't like to eat pike, but there is a way how to make the fillets without the epsilon bones, and then you can make pike nuggets after. So first I stand the pike in that way. You cut from the back of the head down to the bone, and then you cut the first bone-free fillet off. It's a bit slippery here. Normally you should take paper under. And you go up again before the back fin, like this. So here you have a nice bone-free, the first fillet part. Then you have the fillet part number 2. You start as well here at the start of the back fin. And you can cut off this part. That's bone free, and the same you can do on the other side. And that's bone free. Then we come to the last parts. So here you can see actually 4 lines of the bones. That's the backbone, and that's the line of these epsilon bones. So now I go here in on the same spot, and you cut along outside of the first line. Then you lay it on the side, cut all the way down. So I cut it a little bit before here, so I don't like this part of the belly. Slippery. So then you have one more piece, and then you actually have here, if you want, you can cut inside this bone line and take this small part out, but it's a lot of work for a small piece of meat, so I don't do that. And then you do that just the same on the other side.
Baby in a covered wagon, heading out on that road today. No way of knowing what's job, but headed for a homestead westward like the old keys. Heartbreak smells a lot like freedom. The best laid plans all go to waste. Done me wrongs, ain't done me nothing but help to turn another page. Caught that man in the arms of a woman 10 years. She'll look a lot like me. Stayed the night at my baby sister's and cursed his name relentlessly. Heartbreak smells a lot like freedom. The best laid plans all go to waste. Done me wrongs, ain't done me nothing but help to turn another page. Nothing I don't need, but I got all that a girl could ask for. 2 hands to pray and a voice to sing. 2 hands to pray and a voice to sing. Heartbreak smells a lot like freedom. The best laid plans all go to waste. Done me wrongs, ain't done me nothing but help to turn another page. Done me wrongs, ain't done me nothing. It just helped to turn another page.